Welcome to the MX Social. Yeah, I don't. Welcome to the MX Social Show. My name is Kwadwo Sheldon, and the head is big for a reason. All right. I'm coming. Okay. So this is the MX Social Show. My name is Kwadwo Sheldon, and the head is big for a reason. We have had an eventful week, and a lot of things have happened. And you know how what we do on this show. We are going to discuss it and talk about it without any fear or favor. You understand? Because this show, we should not get rules and regulations. What they are saying. So we are going to say what we want to say. If you feel like you are going to be offended, yeah, that one is your personal problem. So yes, as I said, we have had an eventful week, and yes, a lot of things happened. You can join the conversation on our social platforms with the hashtag MXSocial. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, MX24GH. Join the conversation. I'll be reading your comments. And yes, let's go straight into some of the things that trended here. But before we even go into them, I have two interesting guests on the show. They are going to help me talk about what we have to talk about today. I have Irene here. She's an influencer on Twitter. I didn't know she was like this. She was very small like this because her tweets are bigger than the person in person. So, what's up?
Cool. I did.
You did do like you be shy, but if you did a Twitter, then you cause chaos.
I'm not shy.
You are not shy?
Yeah.
Okay. But everything cool?
Yeah.
How is the influencer world?
We are coping. Oh, no. I'm not an influencer yet.
You are not so upcoming or emerging?
Emerging.
Underground?
Yes. Underground.
I don't understand. What is the difference between an underground influencer and an influencer?
Like Sarkodie and maybe Amrado or something, you know.
So you are not an influencer?
No, I'm not a Sarkodie influencer.
You are a minor influencer?
Yes.
Oh, okay, so she's a minor influencer. Also, I have ComedianWaris with me here. What's up, boss?
I did, my boss.
Everything cool?
Everything fine.
How is everything?
What is the everything?
I see you started a skit, a content, Agenda Boys. How is it going?
Well, it's going cool. By God's grace, the first episode, 2 weeks is around 24K.
Oh, okay.
At 2,400.
Oh, okay.
Was it 24,000?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't expect that.
Oh, okay.
Because as a stand-up comedian, in our world, in Ghana world, we don't expect people to. They've not embraced it so much.
Okay.
So I think it's.
But the numbers are coming in. So
small, it will come.
All right. Yeah. So you people know what has been trending this week for Charlie. Stories have trended, but this particular story has triggered a lot of conversations on social platforms. Now, Akuapem Poloo was sentenced to 90 days in prison for the indecent exposure and all those. I think the case has been in court for the past 1 year, and they concluded on a judgment yesterday. They sentenced her to prison or jail for 90 years. So when she comes back, she's going to be an ex-convict and all those things. Now, people begged for leniency on social platforms with the hashtag, I think, Free Akuapem Poloo and all, with top celebrities coming up to say she doesn't deserve to go in because she has a child, she has a family to feed. But maybe the leniency was the judge giving her, 3 months instead of the 3 years. First of all, do you think she's supposed to be in, or the judge, should have just, fine her or do any, community work or any other form of punishment instead of putting her in? Let me begin with you.
Okay, so first of all, I think this isn't a case that should send her to jail. It's not a trivial issue, but it's a case that she could have done community work and be fined as well.
Okay.
She could have be given the 2 punishments instead of giving her 90 days in prison. The child, they should have considered the child.
But there are other people in prison. People went to steal plantain and all sorts of things, and they are in jail for that.
In
Ghana, they don't have families.
In Ghana here, there are people in jail for. There are people in jail who are not supposed to be there.
Yeah.
They're not supposed to be there, but they are there.
Yeah.
That is how Ghana's system is. So.
No, but the thing is, she went into the court and said, okay, I admit say what I have done is I have faulted the law and all those things. So based on what I have done, I admit, like she admitted on the 3 counts of whatever was labeled against her and all those things. So based on her admission in the court, this is what the law is supposed to do to her. Normally she was supposed to go in for 3 years, but you people pleaded on social platforms that you want leniency, and the judge gave her 3 months, which is 90 days. How are we fighting this on social media? Let me get to you.
Well, I've always said this, and I'll keep saying this. You see, Ghana, we don't have the right way to actually generate money to help the citizens in the country. We don't. Whatever their name is, whether the child right or whatever, Charlie, Kiddies Day roadside, where they beg for money. I have seen 7-year-old boy where they do galamsey before. I have seen 7-year-old boy where they Makola, they carry things and things.
Yeah.
You see, what are the provisions that they've done to help these people? And that aside, there are people who are in cells.
Yeah.
You are saying that because maybe they don't deserve to be there. Maybe they stole a pin and they are there.
Yeah.
Now, what is the country doing for those people who are in cell? Or what are they doing to generate money for the people? Instead of saying, "I work cell, you waste your time, you mafia, you say something they do you, when you come out, then you come out again, then they can't increase tax when no money come on top."
But
you understand?
But the thing is,
this Akuapem Poloo deserves it. Like, let me tell you, Akuapem Poloo has done the wrong thing. Now, if Sheldon, you dare close, we there in a line, and they do comedy.
Yeah.
You two, they do comedy in a way. You they talk about people. You they do that humor.
Yeah.
We there in a line. We feel fall in that category.
Yeah.
Then we they need people where they go talk say, oh, Sheldon self, you know, be say it should not do am. So make me temper mercy.
But in her case, she went to the court and admitted, said, "This is what I have done. I have fought it. I have broken the law." So what can the law? What can the court do?
Sheldon, you then people look at rants before.
No,
you seen things before.
I see in rants.
You know, say personally, say people brofono crowd or can't and fat.
But in lawyer come talk say the evidence against her was like everything was against her in the case. No. So the pleading of guilty was to beg for leniency or to influence.
Sheldon, why you know that?
Oh yes.
Why we picture on Instagram and what we feel be that?
Of course.
So those people where they watch, people
are not taking those people on. If you feel like this is what the law states about nudity on social platforms, and you have seen, say, let's say this and that has posted this on social platform, why not take them to court?
So those people say where they take the Akuapem Poloo go wherever they go, they're not there in good position.
Wait, make we play the video of her. They come. I mean, more video need 2 months because so this was her.
Sheldon, share video way. Ghana court, Mafa will be money in court prison. You said then. What the taxi and then they crash the same. It not be you go America. You see, say somebody they pick somebody they go prison. When they sit, it loves more. Or cut us every go take go. Charge all the people that they buy the pin. They steal the pin. Buy good car.
That is a Akuapem Poloo.
It's more trying to say attire the taxi in the fan.
No, but the mode of transportation will be the issue.
It will be the issue. They need to have stance. The court needs to have a lot of things. This is all for them in place.
But what are you talking about? Are you telling me they can't overtake us?
Based on this, we'll be poor country.
Of course.
But nobody says
poor country. We don't know anything.
No. Listen.
Based on only this.
Boss, let's tackle the substantive issues. It's not about the car taking her to the prison and all those things. At the end of the day, you have admitted that she deserves what she has gotten.
Sheldon,
what is your argument again?
My argument is that there are good ways to punish someone. Like, say I go to prison. Sikaben and Magana.
Now do you know the number of people that are in prison for
anything? I said that thing for there in position. So if this is when the Akuapem Poloo issue come, that be when we see say some laws the way they guard nudity.
Of course.
Now this one too come. This be the time we for tell them say they for put things in place. Make they see say we they need money.
Things like what?
This say that Akuapem Poloo do the thing. No, they for fine them. We need money. We don't need taxi to take us to prison. See Ghana. Hey, nyame boy, my uncle prison taxi.
Wait.
My convoy being found uncle prison. They say, yeah, uncle prison.
No, your problem is with the taxi taking her.
No, I'm telling you that when we not get facilities.
So if you are arguing for, for the law or the lawyers or the judges to reform or our parliamentarians to reform the sentencing law and all those things, fine. But make you no can tell me say because she went into a court and admitted that she has faulted, and based on that they are sending her to prison. And leniency that you guys pleaded for, no, it is like 3 months. How are we fighting over this? If you listen, if you want the system to work in this country, as everybody has been saying, say there are a lot of things not working in this country, including our law and all those things. And if the law is working and you're attacking it, what is the point? What is the point?
See,
because people are arguing out of emotions based, on this issue. A lot of our celebrities.
It's just because maybe you've not been close to Akuapem Poloo. Me, I've been close to Akuapem Poloo. See, we get points of argument.
Okay, so Akuapem Poloo is someone who is very loud.
Yeah.
I see myself. Yes, I call her mommy. She's like my mother because I see myself in her. That's how she is, and she has committed a mistake. Yeah. She has admitted, say, we're committing mistake. Yeah. And what I heard yesterday on the radio that they were saying, they asked her a question, say, they didn't even ask her, say, Odifo and say Odifo. They asked her a question in context to it, and the girl like us on Sheldon table.
That is why she has. I mean,
the lawyer.
Listen, you people are making the thing look like.
So Sheldon,
she no get lawyer.
Sheldon.
She had a lawyer.
The lawyer didn't really do his job.
So yes, it is the lawyer who didn't do his work. It's
Sheldon.
Whether she understands English or not.
Sheldon, yeah, kasa. You go land for somewhere. Yeah. See. This is when they are fighting. The leaders or the law or the child rights or whatever, they are fighting to tell the world that there are rules. So we should know how to post or whatever we have to do. Now we are also telling them that there should be a reform. There should be a way to punish people. Look, social media is mine. Credit I will be better crowd about social media crowd or borrowing niema. It is our party will be to say, go away, I will borrow credit, I will sales. Sales is not the right thing. Just charge the person.
You see.
What charging? You have to send the person to Sheldon, listen. What did you do about Aisha, that Chinese girl, or about Kuruma, or Beye, then or Koyen? What did you do about it?
Listen, she was deported. Was she not deported?
And that is the punishment for damaging
she was deported to go to her country to face whatever.
So she's faced it.
Now, you see, listen, you people, you see, Ghanaians say we be reactionary when things are happening. People were comparing Namwan's case and Upuni's case. Listen. People were comparing all those things. How many times have you seen say any celeb? You people say you want the law they favor the rich people and all those things. So if you have rich and you are influential, the wheels of law be slow on you. Now, how many people on social platforms have tweeted about the Upuni or the Namwan case? Right now they care so much about it. No. You don't follow it because Akuapem Poloo's issue has come. You want to compare, you want to do juxtapositioning and all those things. It doesn't work that way. The Opuni and Namwan case, next week they are going to court. Let's see the number of people that will be interested in that.
Sheldon.
No.
Sheldon. So I'm saying you're all kasa about this.
I'm just saying, guys.
It not be Akuapem Poloo person do this.
Waris, see, the day she posted that picture, I mean, Brad did a story about it and posted it on Twitter. When you go through the comment, everybody in the comment section was for the fact that she should be jailed, she should be sent to prison and all. The law should be dealt with it. You have a whole lot of people commenting about today. The law is dealing with her, and you want to sit here and tell me, say, blah 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 blah. The leniency you bear for is 3 months.
No, Sheldon, they for jail they finish.
What be the big
now,
deal?
Before they jail there, look, you don't look at things in that way always. Sometimes you look at the human side as well.
The law not they work on emotions. That's what you for understand.
I tell you.
No, see, when a law they work on emotions.
You not go fit somebody because you don't know what
I'm telling you, say the law no they work on. If they work on when emotions, and then that tie in the squad.
So Sheldon, make I tell you something. The bulldog thing where he threatened the president for TV talk.
Was he not picked up by the BNI?
You don't say that thing with treason. What did they talk? No?
But the bulldog's case is in court. It's in court.
And they are done.
No, they are not done. You know they see Nana Mama Brown, they go court every day.
Hey, Sheldon.
No, what are we talking about?
Let me tell you something.
There are some
Sheldon, it be lying. We all will be drivers. It be like driver where they tell somebody say he get accident. Bro, you first start they talk this thing before it go be your 10. Say it not be prison be the thing. You know say prison they spoil your record. So you are finding me. Metia, you the sikana ya de pa. You catch Akuapem Poloo also Akosua.
That is what we have suggested. But based on whatever, that is what we suggested.
Also,
you know your plea on social media is not admissible in court. The judge go fit talk say okay, I know go admit whatever you are saying. They make sense to him based on the law and whatever is available. She's going to sentence her to jail for this number of years or this number of months. So we can play on social media. They can decide not to take or take it.
That one there.
That is what I'm saying. So let the law work.
That is why, see, you see in abroad, see, this, I talk this thing for the last, in abroad, they get some things where if you commit, they know straight up, say, you forgo here, you forgo here.
Yes.
Okay.
Well, they get somebody, if you commit something, they say, oh, you're going to take a dream, say, oh, yeah, papa.
Waris, you're moving on to the next topic. Now, some good news. Twitter has decided to set up their African headquarters in Ghana. And I think it's a good news for the tech community and all those things. So I think Jack tweeted this. Please, if you have a tweet, let me see it on our screen. This is what Jack tweeted. Twitter is now present on the continent. Thank you, Ghana. And he tagged Kwadwo with the hashtag Twitter Ghana. So basically, they are coming to set up a headquarters in Ghana here. This is President Akosua remarks on the whole, or his reply to Jack and all. The choice of Ghana as headquarters for Twitter's Africa operation is excellent. It's excellent news. Government and Ghanaians welcome very much this announcement and the confidence reposed in our country. So yes, that is what happened with the Twitter thing. Now, what do you think about this? This has, generated a conversation on Twitter between us and the Nigerians. Yes, we have a better jollof right now. Twitter is setting up an office in Ghana. They are pissed. What do you think about this?
Oh, it's very good. It's a very good initiative.
They say right now that if they suspend you now, just go take Uber or Trustkill and go to the headquarters.
We'll just go to
Has your account been suspended before?
No, please.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
But Waris, what do you think about the Twitter issue?
I think say it be good initiative.
Tomas.
It be good initiative for Ghana. Say a day around then. What the Nigerians for no be say, in as much as we get on our own side where we fight, this be opportunity for them. They go come Ghana. It be close. You go if you pick anything come. They for no fight we. And then the funny part of this one is that very soon, if the headquarters is here, we will be seeing more people will be there than hospital, banks, and other places. Because Ghana, we they complain. MTN office, we got two obina, we complain.
So it means that my customer care service, it will be wild.
It will be wild.
But anyway, then people are also arguing, say, although they have a headquarters in Ghana, when you go to the job that they are requesting some people sending their CVs and all those things. The focus of the job is in the Nigerian market market. So they might have the office here, but the work is in Nigeria. So what do we gain from that?
I think
because it is clearly indicated in some of the jobs they are offering. Say your focus is going to be in Nigeria. If you have the office in Ghana and you understand, there is a reason you bypass Nigeria to come here, and they indicated that because of our democracy and the fact that we hosted some continental trade and all those things. Now you are here, but the focus is in Nigeria. What do we gain?
But Sheldon, you don't say we get Google headquarters.
If
you go there, your team sport, they say them at team sport pass you.
So what be the point?
So you see, like me, I hear it be good news for Ghana, but it not be happy news for me because if you dey Nigeria. They go do different purposes. You know, Nigeria, when you have it, you can buy it. So if you did Ghana, at least we can have a little control. If something happens, we go there, then talk, say, oh, make the commot Sheldon in verification, make they do in this thing. We go verify on our body for there. Because we have the papers, we know what we want. You understand? So I think it's a good news, but we should learn how to use this opportunity as well. We should, because it no be on our own. The Nigerians way they can do. But then we can bring a good program, and then we will shift their focus to Ghana. We have a chance to better ourselves so that they will focus on us as well.
Let me hear.
Yeah, so it's very good as I said, and with a focus on Nigeria, Jack wanted Twitter headquarters to be in Africa, but he chose the location to be in Ghana. So if the Nigerians are working, I don't see anything wrong with it.
No, it's not like they are working. It's like most of the content and all
and everything.
It's good. It's good because it will foster some form of unity.
The unity they forget.
Oh,
they
no.
fight
At least there wouldn't be much disparity between the two countries because I won't say that the location is in here and the content is, it balances everything. So
but you see, it helps our artists. It helps them as well.
How they setting?
Artists be to say Floating Stone account be some time ago. It was verified, but it's locked, and he can't open it. And he needs himself at the place to verify, especially with copyright issues where you are being hacked. So I think it's a good thing. Minor issues there, which we have to solve it. But then when we create a good program in Ghana, like Nigeria has, we can shift their focus. Because we are loud. Charlie, Nigerians, it be like they be loud, but the population where they make them loud.
Oh no, Nigerians are loud.
But we too will be stubborn. We go into them a trend and things. So I think we just need a program, something to grab their attention.
But Basket Mouth in a video, he has a reason why Twitter Ghana set up their headquarters, or Twitter set up their headquarters in Ghana. You watch the video. Oh, okay, so let me read some comments on our Facebook page. This one is from Joe. It says people are doing more than Poloo, but people are doing more than Poloo, but they are just working free. The team be say Poloo he has. Oh God, man, they're all tripping. This one is from Winner. It says from Kumerica. I don't understand some Ghanaians. You were criticizing Akuapem Poloo when that nude picture popped up. Now she's in jail for 90 days, and you are here saying it's too harsh.
Human beings for you.
They say, Ira, you should come again. So what Akuapem Poloo did and what we see in our music videos, I bet, what be the difference?
You bab. That is also because kids watch music videos.
I raised some points, say the major thing where they influence kiddies for this country be the television. And then people were like, no, it's celebrities. But also, medical, they work where he put banner say it be blood money before. It no be so.
Now, but the celebrities, through their actions, they influence people.
The influence be pressure.
Yeah,
they not
so who they do the pressure?
No,
the medical issue, they talk, if you see medical showing mansions and cars and all that, how that one
medical, they work. They show you some levels, say they work on inside. Now, the juju man way they see TV top or tin way, TV be form of place where if you see anything, they find them acceptable.
Anyway,
you understand?
So, let me read some comments. This one is from Alex. He said, Akuapem Poloo in case a 90-day jail is cool, at least a scapegoat. It's cool. But problem be say, why this same law no they protect the street case? Because Charlie kids they suffer. Oh, wait, this same child right guys, they know they see her now. Okay, so blind. Then this one is from Raindom. He said, there is never a time here in Germany when and where the law looks at human side. Be serious as a nation. Let the system work. That is my argument. So humanity argument. So this one is from Steven. It says Sheldon. Okay. So yeah, join the conversation on Twitter, Facebook, MX24GH. Let's move on to our next topic, and this one is Queenie Jonas versus Vim Lady. Now, Queenie Jonas is like this guy has been on our politicians, our leaders for a very long time. Before he even moved to the US, he was doing this in his room, and right now it's like he has attention because at the end in the room he will do him. Now, Vim Lady, she works with Despite Media. I think she's the head of programs. And on radio, she said, she know the bad why we they follow Queenie Jonas. Because all they do be say you come stand in front of some coffee shop, do live video and insult our leaders without suggesting anything, without contributing to anything in this country. So she doesn't understand why we they follow him. Why do you think? I mean, what do they think about that? First of all, do you subscribe to his approach to tackling issues in the country?
Tell me, I did for him 20%.
You subscribe to the insult and everything.
Bossu, see, make I tell you something. Okay. This social media we do, when our leaders they see what we they do. Okay. They Akosua road, 2 boots in chain. Who say it's your tour? You close the road, no matter you use different road. Who said from 2010. They know they see say that road get problem. They for block them.
So your argument is the insult.
It's African. It's African. You know, oh yeah, they cry now and you oh my bo or bo some cry or they attempt the account. Chimi for ye. Now let me tell you, sometimes those things, you know they see them. Why say we Ghanaians we for cry before when our leaders they solve one issues? Why say we for create hashtag before when our leaders go come solve one issue? Why say we not get leaders that they feel say, hey, by next 2 years time, this bridge we for do
Okay, thank you. What do you subscribe to that form of tackling issues and addressing topics and all those things.
These radio stations, they are the same people that let people sit on the radio and insult the president. So if someone is doing the same thing, why are you coming to show this hypocrisy? Say he shouldn't do that. I mean, the insulting is not good. It's a bad approach. I'm not saying he should.
So you admit the insult?
It's very bad.
His approach to tackling issue be bad.
It's very bad.
But so, if that be what go make all our leaders work, me, I'll be okay.
No, but the argument to be say, listen.
You know the people that they complete for school, they house, they don't do anything.
Waris, the argument be say, the guy always they come. Glass and coin every day, glass and
see, make I ask you.
What has been his contribution to what he's criticizing?
Sheldon, you know why you they hear of Trinidad Jonas? Or say then Jonas guy.
Yeah.
You know why they hear from him?
I they hear from
there are billions of people who keep complaining without insult. Where is their voice?
So you think the insult is going to trigger?
The insult make the hear say
it's been almost a year since he started the insulting. What result has he gotten from it?
So now the result is say he's been known. He's been known, and they are listening to him. Known for correcting the leaders.
Correcting it, and is the correction working?
Master, anything I can say, leaders know if they listen and they care for us. Almost obimpo awon di omatem no almost na ombe dey.
But my point is the insults they contribute to anything.
Sheldon, how many years now has Akosua road been that way? Nsuo to a we ni na back from my close road ma awon treba. How many years now?
I don't live in.
Send they be out with the shout.
Yeah.
With the shout say they for solve them.
Okay.
But they never solve them. Up to now they no solve them.
So me I want to establish you subscribe to the insult. You think the insult do you think the insult is going to?
Let me tell you. He has an approach.
Okay.
And his approach is okay for him. And me, I feel it when they are talking about the leaders. They have to do what they have to do.
Okay.
Bro, with the pay right now buy pure water some distinct data you for pay.
Do you feel like at this point he has all the attention? Do you think like right now it's time for you to rebrand? Let's say polish the show, try to present your case as placatory as possible.
Yeah.
But
do you think
people, billions of people, they talk them are troubles without insult?
Yes, but any president no. We na ebi kra na we hu na wante.
Yeah.
So still now you are not making sense or something.
Okay.
So you insulting the president won't push him to do what he wants.
So the insulting it be too much.
It's too much. And we be papa sadia why.
But say you can say because Sheldon other na unyese other we Jimmy ana.
No, you don't say you know be Jimmy and Ankwan. Otimi come atimi now. You know. It's not that you don't know how she the example issue the way he does the woman. I was like
I grow with some level for my heart say sometimes there are things you can't control. You leave it that way and leave.
So we can't control the guy.
Leave him because see why are we focused on Trinidad Jonas?
Because he has the attention.
Because we have another people who talk and without insulting, but we know they do.
No, there are people there are people in Ghana.
Bosu, you dey grow your mommy hair. Sheldon Jan kwasi asam no ti baba hono wasa kwasi ejimi for wasa bouti.
Yeah.
That is the only way you dey listen.
Remember. We dey go for commercial break. We go come back.
Angelina, you be cool in my temperature. If you call,
say cheese, take a picture. Shaka post, make a see, take a picture.
in a leg book, boa.
Why the party there today? Hey mama, hey I ever say. Shake your body.
Shared by our fathers, our mothers.
It's weird.
Yeah.
Ours just went black too.
Secretary, you need to put the phone down.
Mike, what the hell is going on?
I said put the phone down.
Mike, please, just tell us what you know.
Eagle is gone. Sir, you are now the President of the United States.
Hello guys and welcome to Home Fit. Home Fit is a fitness show designed to take care of all your fitness needs. I'm your trainer Brad and I will be taking you through a series of workouts. After a great workout, let's talk nutrition.
What we do has consequences. Intended and unintended. The decisions we make, the actions we bring, have weight.
When did it become a crime to succeed in this country?
We spotted a suspect trading pattern. All three firms have links to Bobby Axelrod.
Be careful out there.
You welcome back to the MX Social Show. I have ComedianWaris and Irene with me, and so far we've talked about some of the topical issues that trended on our social platform. You can join the conversation on Twitter with the hashtag MX Social. Follow us at MX24GH. Let's have a conversation. I'll be reading some of the comments. Now let's move on to our next topic here. This one I don't know, say it be higher goals and lesser goals than the fight, or I don't understand. Now, you people have seen the Agrada and Reverend Obofo issue. Me, I dey like violence and all those things, please. I know be physical one, verbal one, Twitter one, but I don't get why. I mean, a fight like this between Obofo and Nana Agrada is supposed to be something spiritual, you understand? But here in the case, I said, every 3 seconds, these two people, then they go on Facebook, go do live, then they diss them, then they diss them my house, people, then they diss them my husbands. I don't understand what is happening. Why? What is happening?
Well, I follow the biggest blogger on Instagram, those called celebs, and from there I realized, say, Agrada or Sabe, when they or say your friends in Queen Sierra or something. And he said, say, Agrada has been talking about her, him for a long time on Fino, but what can they hear there? He wouldn't understand.
Yeah, but at this point, why? Why?
Violence.
Violence. You know what the funny thing is, say, them they diss them are partners. Yeah. So this one go do like them. Me see them. Hey, they talk say somebody in husband check like no, he said in wife check like him to swear and things. Just say why? This of all the issues happening in this country, why?
But I see say Reverend Obofo, then the pastors they really like they were low for some time.
Yeah.
And it was okay. There was no violence anywhere. Obinim was off.
Yeah, Obinim has been off for a long time.
Yeah, during lockdown, we were on lockdown, and then Kenya Japan told him not to open the church, and there was an argument. Yeah. After lockdown, he's still in lockdown.
Yeah, he's still in lockdown. I don't know what they are buying for check on him.
So,
no, I mean for check on him. I don't know.
So yeah, so we still there. It be like some of the things for no come social media, and most of us when we talk for social media, we don't know the genesis of this whole thing.
Wait, you know the issue? They are accusing themselves that we are kukunwe. You see, if right now the law started setting right now, then we'll start the complaint. Because this one will come on live and come and say, this one has killed this one, come out and like they are actually saying we are kukunwe. They have not backed with evidence, but they are saying it. So right now, if the law steps in and say, okay, you have evidence to back what you are saying, and you come and do commissar. You do koshemwa. That's all about you know say leniency. then where are we going and coming from?
I think the laws have to be very quick on such matters.
Yeah, because
when it is like a bapeno or so much bisa.
Yeah, these people are on life saying that this one killed this one drank human blood and all that. I
don't understand because it just be some way for the kids that they watch the TV, they see I'm like it be something where we they do. It be accept that. Until we try and call and getting it in and say, "Asem kakri we know a phone camera now we Jimmy and he say like all these things it be bad." So I think say they for stop them. And
who for stop them?
You see in Ghana here, when you say something that's, let's say it can be defamation of character, you should be arrested, but they don't arrest such people.
Now, but if I'm saying it about you, if I'm defaming you, you are supposed to sue me for that.
I can't.
Here in the case, the two of them like they don't care. So who is supposed to call them to order? And the Facebook they are using, I think Mark Zuckerberg or Zuckerberg doesn't care.
Yes, he doesn't care. But so their accounts can be reported by we.
Who is supposed to go and report? Because Ghanaians are enjoying it.
They are enjoying it.
Yes. So Ghanaians are for violence.
No. So we are. So you would say we are encouraging them to do it.
Yes, in a way we are, but it's not good.
I studied something about social media. When there is violence going on like this, they love it.
Okay.
They love
but
it.
But we didn't call for it. Now we just sit one place where
Sheldon, you've been on hit like Asama told us.
Oh yeah, that one.
Yes. Asama told us who wouldn't
Yeah.
Those people have never been through that thing before. There is a certain issue whereby social media, Twitter call back and forth. It got to a point when the person is sitting down, if he say, "Hey, now then I'm in nude, how do people think about me?" It's some kind of low. Sometimes on to me handle issues. No,
but you see, in this case, these are two adults, woman in 24. We don't really have to beg them. They have done it. I feel that they are involving the people around them and all those things. I think at this point, make them respect themselves. Then quench it.
If they don't respect themselves, we have laws. Just like Akuapem Poloo has been taken. The law should call them, sit them.
The law no will call them for going live though, but the law will call them for saying
questioning in whatever they say. So
these be some of the things you people like.
Nobody is pushing. Nobody is pushing.
Tell me, Waris. This be some of the things. No percent justice prevailing in this country. Why are you people not doing hashtag for that?
Sheldon. Fitting neko Akuapem Poloo assembly no. So I want say or mining ejuma. Those people who are saying no, they should always be under pages reporting people who do the work.
They don't do it, so you can't blame us.
So that is why you begin to see that amount for our mukasa bebrena and yes correct. Yes, any violence now omoka. Because seriously say obi to me by TV so na oma any normal in the face of people, then that person should be questioned. And those people who were saying that, oh, Akuapem Poloo, say no, they should also be there.
But they are not there, so what do we do now?
And we are bay for evil forest. Yes, because we are saying share last year, December, I got that TV, Bosum TV, Jesus Christ movie. Me who be that?
Oh, then they show Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ movie the day na abosom for amokumu hia bando aide no nya the spiritual
that be my argument.
So
I mean like you abosom the senka liberation now we be live.
Yeah, and this issue people they talk but we don't know the genesis and we don't know what is happening spiritually because spirituality is today
because before they were attacked.
Because me to me mkokabina meeting be.
Let's move on to the next topic. US Customs sees precedent Techie berry and snails from a Ghanaian passenger at JF.
For them, Techie berry.
Techie berry.
Yoyi.
What?
No. This
Techie berry.
Akosua.
I don't need Techie. Maybe I see trophy. Oh, then I better the spelling is Techie. So
Techie berry Akosua.
So it no be this thing. It no be trophy. But what about Ghana? I don't understand. Now you see the snails.
The giant, the big ones.
The big ones, no. I said on the quiet, so it was seized and but have you ever been?
But this one no be.
So that is the picture.
Yeah.
And there's a slow.
Look. Where you're from? Otope. Oh, look. I don't understand what Bagana.
But you know, say according to research, 6 years ago, Nigerian also traveled to Los Angeles with snails, big ones. They were arrested. They were seized. You understand? So it's like it's against the laws in their country because they think say snails they eat some plants, like it be a lot of plants. Yeah. Snails they eat those plants and they give meningitis and all those things.
Why?
Yeah, from them. That is what they said.
Who said it?
Me, I tell you, if you like check YouTube.
Where? How you
check YouTube?
Where?
I tell you. See, someone said Ghana need a different.
No.
But the kind no. If you like check 6 years ago.
But if you carry something like that travel, I don't know.
No, I can't carry snail, but I mean, goes to Sunny Precursor.
No, you know that there is this documentary on nowadays or something like that. They say they don't want you to bring some stuff in the country where like genetically to affect their plants because some of the plants they carry all these things. I watched some documentary about it. So basically, that is what they are. You are not supposed to bring some plants and
they don't want to they send everyone deep jankasa.
No, but they seize them when you get to the airport. They will see.
Why?
Because they don't want you to do that. Why would you
so the African market
Ghana we for reform one a country.
Which reform?
See, mama tell you lost no sometimes a dakakra enyane to say lion. Okay. Let me tell you, when him say China for Ghana be tututu galamse ne mama yepne. Snail keke na ediko.
Because their system is working. Your system is
so their system, no, almost say plants and the best say no. But yeah, to me, my China need Ghana.
No, but your system, if your system is not working,
it is a Chinese boy. So seriously, see, we for have like challenge some things for start the work if this one work. Because a lot of things they go on in the country. You self, if you come out your head self, it be nude. They for arrest you because a lot of things people they do. You know they go on. Yeah, your head no be bad. It be bad. If you come out your head, it be nude. It no be nude.
Wow.
That is nude,
my
man.
Show to drag Wow. Oh no, they are telling me to come out. I'm not going to come out. If I come out, everybody will run. Anyway, so let's move on to the next one. We have this one. This man, I always they preach on my show say, find so where Jimmy and let's through mine and all those things, but they don't want to listen. But these people are setting standards. I don't understand. This man went to propose to the girlfriend 5 rings. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lord of the Rings. Or they are called. I don't understand, bro. Who sent you? Yeah, look. Who sent you? Look at this.
I'll give you pressure, Keke.
Well, pressure who here? I could hire a helicopter. I could find after the 5 rings. Now then.
Oh,
but what?
Oh,
this thing no they scary. We still go pay the
yeah, but send a message now for WhatsApp now. Okay.
No, he feels his lady is worth it.
No.
So the rest who are getting one, they be Jezabel.
Too much money.
Watch the video. Look at the presentation. Me, I don't know. It's a budget. I don't. What is all this?
This is so beautiful.
I say,
no, it's nice. I mean. If he decides
they are putting ideas in some of these girls that my head inside. I just blew her from La Paz with things that this is what she deserves.
No,
but you don't bring anything to the table.
No, every guy has a way of appreciation.
It is not every guy. It's 5 rings. What do you think? You wear it.
JESUS.
So you just say they deserve 5 rings.
No.
I'm not going to take that. What do you mean by you?
It depends the impact I've had on the guy. And if the guy decides to give me 10 rings, I'm going to accept
let's assume you are my girlfriend. And I want to. Why do you think you deserve 5
rings? I'm not saying give me 5 rings.
No, but why do you think you deserve the 5 rings?
I mean, if I've had an impact in your life.
Hey, impact. I don't know say that to you.
No, but you guys.
No, but this be extra. This be extreme. The helicopter and the Benz and all those things. For what? What if they take show me, go tell YouTuber. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. They take show me. They start to cry. Look
it's beautiful.
How is this? I understand the beauty of this, Bashe. 5 rings. Are they?
9 day.
9 day. Who sent them?
Yeah, and you jollof.
Jollof. Pressure.
Pressure.
Ghana proposal. Nkeni. Kwa akwele more ring. Throw the ring. Akwele more ring. Bono nika woni ne kwa share ni age ma kotoshi ma proposal.
Yo, you don't be me how they talk, baby. What is it?
It not be true. Ghana, plenty people don't get time.
That be the thing. It's not about being romantic or not about my 5 rings. So you're not. And see when you job brew and until I pass, I don't have about that kind of stuff.
No. Me per one.
one. So you want to.
We know Konyaka Akosua boy now the ring have show.
Ring it to us.
Everyone. Same relationship.
Anyway, so that was the issue that marriage. Now this Dave Chappelle, you be comedian, so you go be interested in this particular one. He said he's moving to Ghana. In an interview with Naomi Campbell, he said like this artist, I've forgotten the name, but then he made a statement like that he's coming to Ghana. So he said he's following the footsteps and he's going to move to Ghana. I know be small comedy club.
You know, see Ghana. Sometimes some of the news be good, but it's we the comedians we know what they happen. Okay. Sometimes if we come, the agency go take comes we know we see them. Steve Harvey self come Ghana. Yeah. We know we the comedians a lot of we know see them.
But wait, there's a video of it, so I beg make people fly the video.
Something that will last beyond me. Hopefully.
Where do you want to go? You mean you've been around the world? I mean, I see you in
London,
in France. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go now in 2021? Where do you want your reach to go?
Well, I've not spoken to you about this. It's a good question. Stevie Wonder said in the press recently that he wanted to move to Ghana. Now, those of us in the room that know Stevie personally, he says this thing many times through the years that we've known him. But this last time he said it, he said, I'm moving to Ghana so that I can be valued and respected more. It's almost exactly the phrase he used. And, you got to think, as a black American, who amongst us is more valued or respected than Stevie Wonder? And the idea that he would feel this way at this stage in his life and in his career, he goes on to say, I would do this for my grandchildren so that they don't have to worry about that, which is a very ominous thing to say because clearly this is going to last for the foreseeable future. And to see him decide to make that move, I wanted to go. Because I look at Stevie, I look at Stevie as he's the soul of American culture. And man, if the soul leaves the body, then this thing is dead.
I understand.
And I go, I'll follow him over there. Or I'll go myself. I'll do it for him.
Yes! Yes, babe, in Africa! We love that.
I called Naomi immediately.
He did?
You put me in contact with David Adjaye. David Adjaye, for those at home, is a very respected architect, considered one of the finest on earth. And here in the United States, he did the Smithsonian Museum of African American History.
So yes, that's Dave Chappelle saying he's going to move to Ghana. So somebody like you
don't go shock me say he go come say they go give him chief for this country.
Oh, I mean,
people they come the country where they make them chiefs and things.
Yeah. But what do you think? But you listen to the reasons he gave. Yeah. Basically, he feels like this place. We know what is happening in America, so he had those reasons. But what do you think?
Oh, I think it's very good. I mean, it can help the comedy industry.
For me, these people they come the country inside for their own purposes. Yeah. Unless say they come for some comedy tour where they want to do comedy. Steve Harvey came to Ghana and then he was on a different mission. So we didn't meet him and all that because, but at least we should have a picture or one or two to learn a thing. You understand? So him saying that he wants to come and invest in Ghana, build a house, and then particularly, be comedy purposes. Yeah. So if you go for some or drag out unless you have that relationship with him on social media. Yeah. But it's a good initiative. We thank God that he's coming to Ghana, putting Ghana on the map that Dave Chappelle is in Ghana.
But I think the country is selling. Okay. Our country is really,
but are we going to credit Sarkodie for this one?
No, we are going to credit the
president. Our ministries should be smart.
Yeah.
To be able to say, oh, okay, Dave Chappelle is coming to Ghana, so there should be maybe one show. They should talk to him.
Cardi B one. Go line up.
Make we do.
But people are even asking, say, where is Cardi B in all this? Because if Akosua no go step, maybe Cardi B go call the judge.
What? Cardi B is thinking about that.
There's someone. I mean, that be having Poloo's best friend.
You know, I feel sad for if you having Poloo to the extent say I know even roast them talk in it. Twitter I've not posted for a while now. Because I dare my feelings about him. And they feel say the girl be poor, then she brofo cry or can't. Wrong. Until they didn't na crucify him. No. Who was a Jesus no? Oh, Ghana. You we they do everything.
Hey,
yeah, okay. We they shout kill him.
ComedianWaris, you have. Let's talk about your the show no. Agenda Boys. Yeah. Why Agenda Boys?
I actually wrote that script for a long time. About a compound house where two guys who are unemployed every day they try to portray like doing one or two almost hard dreaming while feeling crying rent. Okay. So me try but me me show names no. Me throw names be but me show na Agenda Boys on a mission. Okay. Where the mission self be be any sensible thing. Where I say then make we use them.
Okay. But have you seen any of the episodes?
I've seen his links, but I'm not a YouTube person.
Wow. Forget that.
Wow.
She be there.
Support your own.
I retweet.
She retweet, but she know what.
You don't click the link.
I will watch it. I'm a YouTube person.
But issue comes say ComedianWaris no be funny, no, they be the first. It's not funny.
You are not funny.
Yeah.
But so I mean, how many episodes do you have?
I have up to 15 episodes, but
out or
no, they are just on my folder or document. Okay. I've not released them yet. I'm releasing them bit by bit because I realized that, like you said, YouTube is investment. Is something forever.
But you go carry cam MX make we show give you. You know, say here if I carry cam.
If MMS go give me money, where I go
sort
I will be okay. Because the Agenda Boys, we did it for TV, and I'm so disappointed in certain channels where
some of the office,
they told me that we like the product. The videos were viral even before.
Yeah, I saw the one that the lady was following the guy.
And so it be like. I make disappointed because sometimes I take the thing.
What are you disappointed at the amount of money you were offered?
No be money. But then you see, if you no one show somebody in thing, for delay them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the episode 1 when they watch, everybody for the office, some of them they come watch, hey, big guy. Then later after 2 weeks, toss. No, I got to say, subtitle, bro.
So have you done it?
15 episodes, Bozu. I go show for my channel.
Okay. So but you will carry cam here.
I go carry cam.
So how is the production? Like, do you pay for appearances and all those things? Is it self-funded or you have a production house behind it?
It be self-funded.
So how are you doing it?
Are they owe people self? I don't pay for
it.
Are they owe?
But how? How are you doing
so during lockdown, this whole thing, you see, in the creative interest,
okay.
I thought say, I should move a step ahead. Skate, no, Charlie will be a chat.
Exactly.
Charlie will be sorry, no, I mean, I'm not create skate. Charlie posting
everybody.
Yeah, so it be like a step ahead, no go help. Then I look in all directions. The script where I have, that be the only possible low budget script where I'm.
So where we go to get the episode that you have put out?
On my YouTube channel. Then very soon MX24 too.
But the YouTube channel, what be the name?
ComedianWaris.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Irene, I beg the influencer world now.
Wait, make you no go Irene. So why you block me for Instagram?
I don't block you.
You no block me for Instagram.
Oh, why?
Sheldon, you no block me for Instagram.
Why I for block you?
Sheldon, you no block me for Instagram.
Why I for block you?
Search ComedianWaris say you did there.
So if I search where you come, what make I?
Also, you block me for Instagram.
Why I for block you at the come?
I don't get mommy train. Mommy train, my
so blocking now.
You won't do violence for years.
No, see me.
I don't get internet.
You don't get internet.
I don't get internet.
See,
they don't be in this.
Bossu,
they don't be ComedianWaris.
Bossu, you don't lie.
They don't be in this.
Bossu,
now what are you talking about?
You don't lie.
Follow him.
Now let me tell you something.
Why not block you?
Make I tell you something. May I tell you something? Okay. It be good. Me then you go feel have any violence for social media. Yeah. But if it come to your brand of work, I no go feel discredit you. Okay. Then I no go feel block you. Then think say I have issue with you. Yeah. I know they like the people.
But I have not blocked you.
You block me, man. Stop telling me you've not blocked me. You don't block me for what? Okay, who do tear to me account in the chalk? And no. And
so I don't block this guy or which guy? You, madam, Patronian Akosua influencer 1 year more.
Yeah, we are there.
You are there.
We are working.
Yeah. But where? I mean, how can people follow you on? What's your handle?
No, but why say you be?
Why
you what's up violence now? So
no. So we are young.
You say oh blocking me? Oh you emotional.
Emotional.
Yo, you be emotional. Yeah, you be emotional.
What?
Why say me then you have banter then you go block me?
I don't block you. You see, Twitter, I'm not blocking.
Twitter, it be new account where you no block. The old account, you block me.
I don't block you.
Myself, at the part of the poll with the pre-make, they suspend them. Right now, tell me why you block me.
I don't block you.
Sheldon.
Anyway, so, thanks for... I saw the log... so yeah, your social media.
Yeah, you can follow me on Twitter at Akosua_Amoabea.
Oh, okay.
And on Instagram as well.
Okay.
On Snapchat, it's Akosua Opoku.
Wow. When I'm on Snapchat here.
I'm not a Snapchat influencer. I'm just for Twitter.
You too, if I DM you know they
you trust when
when you go to piano na dey buy you.
Anyway, so thanks for joining the show. We are moving to Brad Jason Elaine. Today, the conversation on +233. No, my Boston. It's about to go down. It's about to go down. You understand? Okay. So yeah, we will be moving to him shortly.